How to make Google Maps work without any data. To make Google Maps work completely without cellular data or Wi-Fi, you have to use the Offline Maps function or feature. First of all, open the Google Maps on your device. Tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of your screen. Head to this Offline Maps option, then tap on this Select Map option. Now select your range of map that you want to download into your device. Then simply tap on this download option. And as you can see, the map has been downloaded. Now hit backwards and you can turn your Wi-Fi and data off and you will still be able to use this map. And simply tap on this search bar and you can also search for any of the destinations and you can simply head to that place even if you're offline. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.